So, hi everybody, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency analysis. It's your guy here, the altcoin doctor here, bringing you the latest cryptocurrency analysis on your favorite coins. And if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button, as we would be bringing you all the analysis on all your favorite cryptocurrencies. And without further ado, let us move over to the chart, as we would be looking at all your favorite cryptocurrencies. As you can see, we have quite a whole lot of red on the board, as we have had a huge washing away, right, of a huge longs, right, in the market. And without further ado, we would be looking at SINGULARITYNet, as that's what we'll be looking at today, or AGIX. Current price at the time of recording is about the 0.339. We are still ranked 99 with a market cap of $411 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about $46.41 million. So we're down 31% for the month. We're down 25% for the week. We're up 5.2. We're down 5.2% for the day. And at the time of recording, we are up just about 0.6%. And so without further ado, let us move over to the chart. And as you can see, this is the chart here for SINGULARITYNet versus the USD Theta, right? We are on the daily time frame, and as you can see right here, right, we have drawn all our support and resistance levels. And one of the things we were talking about at SINGULARITYNet was that we have seen some sort of a double top, and so we should be expecting to move down into this range. As we have said before, we said price was ranging in between this level, and we should be expecting, especially when we got the rejection here, we should be expecting some push to the downside, even though we were expecting some kind of push to the top. But as you can see, right, we got a huge rejection, and we are currently pushing even to the downside. So the next is that we would be hoping to buy more SINGULARITYNet, or accumulate more SINGULARITYNet at around the 0.270 level. And I'll be telling you why we should be buying more SINGULARITYNet at the moment, right, especially down at the 0.2970 level, right. First thing is, if we go to our indicators, as you can see, this was one of the reasons why we said we're going to be pushing down, because as you can see on the indicators, we're steadily pushing even to the downside. And so even on the oscillator, we were expecting for the downside. Also, as you can see on the money flow, the money flow makes us understand what is happening behind the scenes. And as you see right down here, we got a huge bearish divergence, which means a lot more money was leaving SINGULARITYNet, or was leaving AGIX at the moment. As you can see, even though we were expecting some kind of push even to the upside right down here, but as you can see, since then we have pushed up even to the downside. So I'll be giving you more reasons, right. As you can see in this chart, this is another reason why we should be accumulating at this level of the 0.08 region, because, right, if we see, and this is one of our channels, right, chart. And one of the things we said was that every single time price comes in between this lower channel, right, we should be looking to accumulate. Now, let me give you an example. For instance, if we look at our oscillator, right, sorry, not oscillator, our stochastic, every single time on the daily time frame, by the way, every single time our stochastic was at the bottom, we saw a huge push to the downside. As you can see, same thing right here. Every single time our stochastic was at the bottom, we saw a huge push. Same thing right here. We saw a huge push, and currently we are getting to the bottom even for the SINGULARITYNet. Now, same thing even with our RSI. As you can see, every single time we were at this level, that was the best time to buy, and currently we are even below such levels. So as you can see, there are a lot more indications that you see we could be very bullish, right, after this last shakeout, right. If we look at this chart for SINGULARITYNet, and what this chart just gives us is the EMAs, and as you can see, the EMAs gives us a very good place of entry. As you can see right down, we got an entry right down even at the 0.056, and as you can see, since then we have been above the EMAs. As you can see, this looks like a very huge fake out. As you can see, the EMAs have not turned bearish, right? So we still have hope for Singularity. Next, as you can see, we could see a huge support at our 200 weekly EMA, which is at the 0.20 level. So that would be acting as a huge support. The 200 EMA would be acting as support, and then we could expect some huge price to the upside. As you can see, our EMAs in green are still bullish, so we should be expecting higher price targets in the medium to long term, right? Also, if we move over also to this chart, we could see this chart is just with our altcoin doctors indicator indicating, right, when price is bullish and when price is bearish. And as you can see right down, even as regards this chart, we are seeing that price is bearish at the moment, and as you can see, we have huge support at the 0.28 for region. So as you can see, all the charts are in confluence that we should be expecting to see price at this 0.24 region, where we should be expecting some kind of huge bounce. So we could see price come down below even to the support region and see a huge push even to the upside in the medium to long term. So that's our analysis for today. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a great day.